Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. Today we are going to start exercise 7.6 question number 1 solve part 8 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. These two are the fractions in which the denominators are the prime numbers. Now first we write 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. So this 3 and 7 both are the prime numbers, and in case of prime numbers the product of numbers is their LCM. So LCM is equal to 3 multiplied by 7 means 21. Now the first fraction is 2 by 3 and in denominators we need 21, so we multiply this 3 by 7. Similarly, we multiply the numerator with the same number 7. So it is 3 7 ja 21 and 2 7 ja 14. And our second fraction is 1 by 7. In this case again in denominators we need 21, so 7 is multiplied by 3. 7 3s are 21 and 1 is also multiplied by 3, so 1 3s are 3. Now according to question, the sum of these two fractions is required, so we are going to add the new values, that is 14 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21. This is equal to 14 plus 3 upon 21. So it is 17 upon 21. This is the solution for the part A. This is our answer. Now the part B, 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15, in which 10 and 15 numbers and they are the different. It means the denominator is different. In case of different denominators, we take the LCM of the denominators to make them equal. So here we are going to take the LCM of the denominators. It is 10 and it is 15. So first we divide this by 2, because 2 5s are 10 and 15 is not divisible, so we write 15 as it is. Then 5 and 15 both the numbers, they are not come in the table of 2, so this time we try the table of 3. It is 5 is not divisible by 3, so we write 5 as it is, and 3 5s are 15, so it is 5. Now 5 is not there in the table of 3, so we divide 5 by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Now the LCM of 10 and 15 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. This is equal to 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30. So the LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Now the first fraction is 3 by 10 and we need in denominator 30, so we multiply 10 by 3, 10 3s are 30, and with the same number we multiply the numerator 3, so 3 3s are 9. And our second fraction is 7 upon 15. Again we need in denominators 30, and for the 30 we multiply 15 by 2 and the numerator 7 by 2, because we always multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. 7 2s are 14. So these two are the new fractions, these two are the new values. Now we are going to add this according to the question. Remember, the new fraction is 9 by 30 plus 14 upon 30. This is equal to 9 plus 14 upon 30. It shows that 14 plus 9, that is 23 upon 30. This is the solution for the part B. Now the part C, 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 7. Again the denominators are different, so first we take the LCM of the denominators to make them equal. It is 9, it is 7, and then we divide this by 3. 3 3s are 9. 7 is not divisible, so we write 7 as it is. Then we divide again 3 by 3. 3 divide 7 by 7. So 1 and 1 comes. 7 1 is 7. It means the LCM is equal to LCM of 9 and 7 is 3 into 3 into 7. That is 7 3s are 21 and 21 3s are 63. So the LCM is what? That is 63. Now it is our first fraction 4 by 9, and in denominators we need 63. So we multiply 9 by 7. 9 7 ja 63. And we multiply the numerator 4 by the same number 7. 4 7 ja 28. Similarly, it is 2 upon 7 is the second fraction. Denominators we need 63, so we multiply 7 by 9, and the numerator 2 we multiply with the same number 9. 2 9s are 18. So the new numbers are 28 upon 63 and 18 upon 63. Now we are going to add the new values, that is 28 upon 63 plus 18 upon 63. This is equal to 28 plus 18 upon 63. 28 plus 18 gives us 46. 46 upon 63. This is the required solution for the part C. Now the part I, 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. Now 3 fractions are given and we are going to add these fractions. For adding this, first we take the LCM of the denominators, because the denominators are not the same, they are the different. So make them same. We are going to take the LCM of the denominators. First denominator 3, then 4, then 2. So it is, first we divide by 2. 3 is not divisible by 2, so we write 3 as it is. Then 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Again 2 is here, so we divide 2 by 2. 3 is same as it is, we write. Then 2 1s are 2 and 1 as it is. Then we divide by 3. 3 1s are 3 and these 2 1s are as it is. So the LCM of 3, 4 and 2 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. That is 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. So 12 is the LCM of 3, 4 and 2. Now the first fraction is 2 by 3 and in denominator we need 12. So we multiply 3 by 4. 3 4s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. So it is 8 upon 12. Now the next fraction is 3 by 4. Again in denominator we need 12. So it is 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Now the last one is 1 upon 2. Again we need 12 in the denominator, so it is 2 6 ja 12 and it is 1 6 ja 6. Now we are going to add all these new fractions, that is 8 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12 plus 6 upon 12. This is equal to 8 plus 9, that is 17. 17 plus 6 gives us 23. First we write 8 plus 9 plus 6 upon 12. Finally the answer is what? That is 23 upon 12. This is the required solution for the part I. Now the part L, 4 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 4. These two are the mixed fractions. So first we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. For converting these fractions, first we multiply 3 with 4 and then in the product of 3 and 4 we add the remainder 2 and the divisor is same, that is 3. So the new value is 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 2 upon 3, so it is 14 upon 3. For the second mixed fraction, that is 3 1 by 4. Now we convert this into improper fraction, that is, for that first we multiply 3 with 4 and then we add the remainder 1. Now we are going to convert the next mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 3 1 by 4. For this first we multiply 3 and 4 and then we add 1 in this, then we divide the whole by 4. So it is 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 1 upon 4. This is equal to 13 upon 4. Now we are going to add the new values, that is 14 upon 3 plus 13 upon 4. Here 3 and 4, both the denominators having different values, they are not same. So for making them equal, we are going to take the LCM of 3 and 4. Nena is equal to 1 1 by 2 and Najma is equal to 1 1 by 3. Now we are going to add 3 upon 2 and 4 by 3, these two new values of the fractions. It is 3 upon 2 plus 4 upon 3. Now when we observe these two fractions, the denominators of these two fractions are 2 and 3, and 2 and 3 both are the prime numbers. So we take the product of these two, that is their LCM. LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. Now it is 3 upon 2 and we need 6 as a denominator, so we multiply 2 with 3 and 3 with 3 also. This 3 3s are 9, so the new fraction is 9 upon 6, and the second fraction is also multiplied by 2 because we need 6 as a denominator. So 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. Now we are going to add 9 upon 6 plus 8 upon 6. It is equal to 9 plus 8 upon 6. So it is 17 upon 6. This is equal to 2 5 by 6. This is our answer.